AI side hustle has become a scammy phrase because so many videos promise passive income for zero effort, and that's not reality. This was a real experiment, using AI tools to offer a specific freelance service, in this case, AI-assisted content editing and short-form video repurposing for small business clients, and tracking every dollar earned and every hour spent over 30 days. Total revenue, $3,000. Total hours, about 62. That's a real hourly rate of roughly $48 an hour, which is good, but let's break down where that came from. Week 1 was almost entirely unpaid setup, creating a simple portfolio page, setting up profiles on 2 freelance platforms, and testing AI tools for turning long-form content into short clips with captions. AI video tool cut editing time from roughly 90 minutes per short-form clip down to about 20 minutes, which is the entire reason this hustle was viable at all. Without AI assistance, the per-client economics wouldn't have worked at these price points. The first client came from a cold outreach message to a local business offering 3 short clips for $150. That client paid, and their content actually generated leads for their business, so they became a repeat client. By week 2, momentum built through referrals and one small freelance platform gig. A mistake worth admitting, underpricing early. Charging $50 per clip for the first several jobs, then realizing after tracking actual time investment including revisions that the real rate was closer to $18 an hour after AI tool costs. The tool subscription runs $30 a month for the tier used here. Raising prices to $75 per clip package by week 3 cut into inquiry volume slightly, maybe 20% fewer leads, but overall revenue per hour worked improved by about 40%. Week 2 brought in $850, Week 3 brought in $1,150, both from a mix of repeat clients and 2 new referrals. Week 4 generated $1,000 from 3 clients, 2 repeat. What worked? Repeat business from happy clients was far more valuable than constantly chasing new leads. Repeat clients accounted for roughly 55% of total revenue by the end of the month. What didn't work? 2 cold outreach campaigns to businesses outside the initial network produced 0 responses out of about 40 messages sent, a 0% conversion rate, which is a reminder that this kind of work still depends heavily on word of mouth and existing networks, not just having a good AI tool. The AI video tool used throughout this experiment is linked in the description. It's the single piece of software that made the per-client math work, since manual editing at these price points wouldn't have been profitable. If you want to try a similar service-based side hustle, start with people you already know rather than cold outreach, and price based on your actual time, including revisions, not just the finished clip length. Recap: $3,000 in 30 days, about 62 hours of work, a real hourly rate around $48, and the 2 biggest lessons were price based on real-time tracked, not guesswork, and repeat clients from your existing network beat cold outreach by a wide margin. This is a real side income stream, not a passive one. Expect to trade time for money, at least at first. If you want a deeper, structured walkthrough of exactly how a service like this can be systematized and scaled, I'm working on a full course covering this process step by step. More on that later this month. Friday's video breaks down index funds, the single video I'd tell any beginner investor to watch first. AI tool link is in the description. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. This is not financial advice, for educational purposes only.